Hey guys, this is our new Ninja air fryer. There's a lot of hype on these, so we figured we'd go pick one of these up, and it gives me a little break from working on the old house and yard and the old tractors. Let's take a look at this. So the big selling feature on these is it uses little to no oil on them, so it's nice and healthy. Let's take a look at the outside of the box there. And that's the French side, if you parlez-vous en français. And these are a 1500 watt unit, and it's a 3.8 liter capacity, or roughly 1 gallon. And this was purchased at Costco today. It was $99 plus 15% tax, so $115 Canadian. So let's open it up, see what's inside. Alright, so we got the tape all cut. Let's open her up. Alright, so right away you see your Ninja air fryer. It's your quick start guide. There's your power cord. And a lot of times they put these little protective ends on to protect the plug itself. And there we go, there's the unit. So we're going to get this taken out of the box and we'll see what's all included here. Alright, so this is what it looks like outside of the box, and it's quite well protected. A little bit of foam to protect the top. So there's the unit itself. Let's spin it around here so you to remove your, almost like packing tape they put on it to keep the door shut. And the back of the unit. And one more little piece of tape there. There's a look at your little digital display area and your cooking times for different food items. So let's pull this out. There's your cooking tray. That's what you put your food on. You can either put it on that, or I believe this is your ceramic cooking tray also inside it. And these come out, and you can actually they're safe to wash in a dishwasher, as well as your stainless cooking tray too. So the plug is roughly 1 meter long. It's nice and long. And you can't have this covered. This is where it sucks in the air, so you don't block your vents. The way that these cook is with a little bit of oil inside. The air goes around your food, and it actually takes a little bit of the moisture out of the food to crisp it up. So again, this is just a short unboxing video. We're going to maybe cook some French fries and see how it turns out again. So it comes with your unit, the little trays inside, a quick start guide, which would be how to use the item, and it has some of the recipes too in it. So we'll give this a quick try and see if this thing actually works. Alright, so we've let the unit warm up for 3 minutes as they recommend. So let's get some food in there. So it's recommended when you're cooking about halfway through, you want to pause the unit and flip your food around a little bit inside. So we're going to pause it, and then it's safe to open. You can see they're smelling fantastic. Nothing too crazy. Just give it a little stir. There's not a whole lot in there, so you should be fine. Put it back in and press the start button again, or it looks like a little play button, and let's finish cooking. And just a little on a side note, it does get a little warm to the touch, and on the back of the unit is the exhaust fan, so it does blow out warm air, so make sure this is kept a little bit away from the wall. Alright, so we have about 3 minutes left, so let's pause it and take a look at them. There's just a few fries in there. Oh yeah, those look perfect. So we're going to take these and dump them out the bowl. Yeah, they're nice and crispy, I can hear it. We're just going to put that back in there for now, and we'll turn her off. And let's see. Oh yeah, they're nice and crispy. Almost like they're deep fried. Ooh, they're hot too. So I tried that fry and it is delicious. So with these French fries, there's quite a bit of oil in them anyways when they're frozen. So we didn't have to add any olive oil to it. If they were homemade cut fries, you'd put roughly a tablespoon or so of oil in it to get the crispness on it. Again, as you can see, they crisp up nice. Nothing is burnt. There's no residue left on the bottom of the cooking tray to clean up, but we will rinse that with warm soapy water to get it all cleaned up. Anyways, this was our first experience with the Ninja air fryer, and they are delicious, nice and crispy, and we didn't have to add any oil to the unit. Anyways guys, this is just a short unboxing video and a quick demo on how to use it. If you have any questions, make sure you post them below. If not, thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you're notified on new and upcoming videos. Take care guys.